Hey guys, it's Rob down here with Centrotherm Miami South Beach Sessions. I got Joey from First Choice Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing down in Jersey. We wanted to talk a little bit. This was his first time putting together a 3-boiler manifold. Joey, tell us how fast you did it.
In, 13 minutes and some change?
Yeah, so did you have a good experience doing it?
Yeah, I was a little nervous because everybody's watching, but overall, like, the actual installation process was pretty easy. Everything fits together the way it should. Like I said, I've never done a cascading system like this. I've had experience putting Centrotherm together like 5 years ago, but for each individual boiler. But once you just understand the way the pieces are all supposed to go together, it's pretty, self-explanatory.
That's pretty great. We think it's pretty impressive that, never having done it before, you were able to do it in 13 minutes down here. Not to mention the pressure of all the social media influencers standing around, staring at you, cheering you on. How'd you feel when you were done?
Pretty awesome. Thank you to everyone who supported me and cheered me on. And thank you, Centrotherm, for hosting a great show.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Joe. Appreciate it.
All right.